Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a recipe that I fell in love with. This is one of my favorite comfort foods. It is very delicious and so easy to make. So when you need a little bit of a pick-me-up during winter, I think this is a great one. You want to start out with your onion and you want to cut it down into very small pieces. And then you also want to peel your garlic so it's ready for use later. Then you want to take your drained sweet corn in a bowl. You want to add 2 eggs, the flour, some nutmeg, and some salt. And then you want to mix until it is a dough. Just like that. Now you want to take a small pan and a bigger pan, and you want to put some oil into the small one and heat it up very nicely, and then add in the onion and the garlic and let that simmer for a little bit. You also want to heat up the larger pan a lot and put some oil in there. In the smaller pan you want to add the tomatoes and a little bit of water and then let that cook. And in the bigger pan you want to now add the sweet corn fritters and you want to let them fry a little bit. Now you want to add some paprika and some chili flakes and some Italian herbs to the tomatoes and stir that in and let it cook for a little bit longer. And you're ready to flip the fritters when they have slightly browned from one side, and then just repeat the same thing, let them cook a little bit from the other side. Last but not least, you can serve it together, the fritters and the tomato sauce. I think that the taste is really nice. You know, the sweetness of the sweet corn and then the nice flavor of the tomato sauce. It goes very well together. I hope you give it a try. Let me know what you think and if you like this as well. And I will talk to you soon. Bye!